Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. As always, remember if you guys can like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys want to see any TA and any other tickers, feel free to drop a comment below. I think I did see one for Meta yesterday, and then another one for I think Tesla again. So we'll be looking at those right now. For right now, I am looking at, yesterday on the SPX, I did think we were going to drop a lot harder, but we ended up pushing up. We didn't drop as hard as I thought we were going to. This was, right, like yesterday, what is today? We're on the 24th, 23rd, so 22nd, January 23rd. Wait, January. Oh, sorry. January 10th. Here we go. Yeah. So yesterday we did drop. I was like, wait, January 23rd, but that's just the year. Yesterday I did think we were gonna drop a little bit lower. I was looking more for a 30, 386, 387 high range to 381. He actually recovered really, really fast on here, which is fine. I don't care because I ended up catching all these trades, and yesterday was really, really good. Was really profitable for me and the rest of the chat. Right. It was great. Right now I'm actually short again. I'm actually short again right now. I do think that we will more than likely continue to drop, but SPX is kind of funky, man. Like it doesn't want to drop, and that's okay because I mean I want everything to go up, right? I have a huge position right now in what is it called, in Amazon. I really don't care where the direction goes. Although I more than likely I'll probably end up catching it. Because I do like trading just divergence on the shorter time frames. So I really don't care too much about direction. Longer term direction, still bullish, right? I'm still definitely bullish. I still think we're going back up to like 415, 420, possibly up there, but that is with the confirmation that CPI comes in flat or lower. So last month we got 7.2. I am expecting a 7.2 minimum or lower than that, right? That's what I think, and I think expectations are at a 6.5. If CPI comes at anything higher than 7.2, I will be shorting, and I do not think we are bullish anymore, right? That's the deal. CPI is going to tell us what's going on. And again, look at that. DXY is starting to push back into range right now, so I will more than likely add more to my, let me let this refresh a little bit. It's refreshed. Is it? Wow. Okay. So I'll more than likely add trade. I'll add another lot. Right. On a short again because the dollar is running up. So I am expecting. I'm looking at the SPXY is probably gonna run to see it's running as well. So that's super weird. The fact that you have the dollar running to the upside, and what is it called? The fact that you have the dollar running to the upside, and then you also have SPX or SPY running up with it. That's really funky. So if DXY actually ends up going back above this range, oh, see, look, it's getting rejected. So this might actually be a double top here, right? So first peak high is right here. Second peak is a little bit lower, and you might dump from there. There you go. That's where you're actually starting to see the drop right there on the DXY. So if you do get rejected here, that's kind of confirmation for where SPX is going to go. And again, this is my trajectory, right? We either keep pushing towards trend on DXY and we come back down, or from here we get rejected. So I might actually take the L on my forex positions. I think it'd be like a couple G's right now. Let me see. 4, 5, like a 5K loss. That's not bad. I don't really care too much. So I might just take the loss and switch to longs because this thing does again. I was expecting us to keep dropping on something, right? It just looks like we might actually end up dropping here. And again, if we close this 8-hour bear trigger in an hour and 10 minutes, I'm probably gonna keep holding on to my shorts. So I don't think I'm gonna close my shorts yet, but we're running, man. Like we're still, SPY does not want to go down, which is fine. But if we break this trend here, I'm more than likely gonna cut my losses, take the L, and then long right here, and then we're probably gonna push today pretty hard. See, look at that. Even the 30-minute is canceling out on the hour. Again, you're still bullish on the hour. You're still on a bull cycle, the 4-hour. So you can definitely push today. If you kill these highs of 395, man, you can push really, really hard today. Like, next target would possibly be what you're looking at. Next target is 404, right? And again, that's just on fibs, right? So if this high breaks, right, this 395 high breaks, you're looking at 404 forecast, and again, that's just on fibs, right? That's not even on news. Like that's not even, we're not even looking at if news comes out, like if CPI comes out at high. So for today, I think in an hour and 10 minutes, if this 8 hour actually closes, right, this green bubble here, I'm gonna stick to my to my shorts for now. I already have stops set. I think my stops are set at like 393.7. I'm probably gonna move them up because I think my stops are pretty tight right now. Probably gonna move them up a little bit. I don't mind taking an L. But if we do get confirmation, that this trend actually breaks, right? That this trend breaks to the upside, you're probably gonna push here. If that trend breaks, you're probably gonna do something like this, right? Probably go like this, break that high here, right? Go like that, break that high, come back down here. I'm gonna take some massive, massive longs here, and then this is gonna push up super, super hard. Or from here, right? You can definitely come. This is the start of maybe like a $4 or $5 drop. So if 393, we're probably looking at a drop to like 389 or something. So this will probably go like down, I don't know, down here somewhere. But again, I'm holding on to my shorts for now. I don't know what's going to happen in what direction. I'm looking for confirmation on either side. So this is going to be my, as of right now, short term, it does look like you're going to push to the upside and this trend is going to break. But again, I'm holding on to my shorts because that 8 hour is going to close bearish in about an hour and 10 minutes. If that doesn't close, right, if I get no confirmation from that and you do break this trend, I'm going to close all my longs. Sorry, I'm going to close all my shorts. I'm going to let this jump up past this trend or past this high, let it retrace a little bit, and then I'm going to take this, I'm going to take this long like fucking crazy because we might actually squeeze today because, people are preparing for tomorrow's CPI, right? And everybody thinks that it's going to come in at 6.5, which is ridiculously low. I would not be surprised to see SPX or SPY today go up to like a $395, $400 because everybody's preparing for tomorrow's release of CPI. And if that comes in really low, that we're going to skyrocket, and that's kind of confirmation that we're going back to 420 plus for me, right? So right now, this is what I'm doing basically. I'm going to short until trend breaks. If trend does not break, right? This is your whole trading range though, from 393 to like 392. This is my whole trading range right now. If you do break this trend, I am getting out of all shorts, taking a huge amount of longs, right? But if you don't actually break this trend and you start breaking towards the lower end, I am more than likely adding more shorts, writing this all the way down to like a 390, like 389-ish, 388 level, possibly back to these. I think there was like a low over here. Yeah, so definitely taking it down to 391 and then possibly back down to like a 389. So again, that would be my target for today is what I'm looking for. But very, very easy. Very, very easy strategy today, right? That's what I'm basically looking for. And I think I think it'll pan out. But again, I'm still overall very, very extremely bullish on the market. And the only way I'm not bullish is if CPI comes in ridiculously high, right? And if we look at DXY, let me see if we can look at that again. See, DXY is breaking to the upside. It's breaking above range right now. So I'm definitely going to stick to my shorts for now because I do think that SPX is lagging a little bit. So yeah, that's basically it. Somebody requested a video on Meta, so I'll probably release that as a different video. I'll probably go through it right now, release it as a different video. But yeah, that's basically it. That's what I'm looking for today. I'm currently in shorts, probably looking for a 390, 387, 88 range today on the low side. If we actually get rejected here and if that 8 hour breaks. And again, if you want access to my indicators or how I trade, feel free to join the Patreon. It's going to be in some of the video. It's going to be in, a couple of videos. Go back 3-4 videos and the link's probably going to be there. I know I'm not that good at posting the links on the description and on the comments, but if you guys go back a couple videos, it's all going to be there. Very simple setup today. Trend breaks, I'm going to go long. If this gets rejected, I'm going to go short again, probably like right here to the low side, but DXY definitely looks like it's going back above range. If it doesn't actually go back above this range and it starts getting rejected here, DXY is going to drop super hard. And my target's going to be like 101. And in that case, I'm going to long the F out of everything. I'm going to short the F out of everything, sorry. Yeah, so that being said, I will see you guys later. Have a great day. And my next video is probably going to be a Meta TA. Bye-bye. See, there you go. We're already starting to come back down a little bit. See, and then the 5 minute right here, right? 5 minute right here is probably going to start getting, it's going to close a bear trigger, possibly down somewhere on this range here, right? And we're going to keep pushing down. That's what it looks like. If this low breaks, 392.7.71, if that low breaks, you're more than likely going all the way back to 392. So if that low breaks, I'm going to add this low right here, this wick. If that low breaks, I'm going to add more. There you go. So you just broke the low. Oh, did I get stopped out on something? Oh, no, I think we went up too hard. Oh, whatever. That's fine. I don't care. Trade. Open up another short. There you go. See, that low broke, so I do think we're going to come back down here to like 392.3. Solid. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.